Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, October 5th, and this is my analysis for gold. And we're on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour for the full top-down analysis. So on the very high time phase, monthly, it is extremely clear to me that we are definitely still in a wave three. I got my Fibonacci extension from the wave one, projected out the bottom of wave two, because when you're in all-time highs, pretty much the only thing you can do for resistance is Fibonacci extension. We are approaching the 223 area. Normally, when a wave three goes beyond the 161, 178, more times than not, it will continue to push to at least a 250 to 261%. So I really do not think that this wave three is over. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if gold ended up at 4,200 or maybe even higher than that, within the next several months. So definitely no reason to say that the wave three is over. Even when the wave three does end, the next move should be a corrective pattern, wave four, kind of similar to this wave two, and then we would get another push up for a wave five. So we are very, very long ways away from seeing the end of a trend on gold. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to see the subdivisions of this wave three. The wave two ends here, and then this is a 1-2 right here. Honestly, this still could be all a wave three right here too, because it never did break structure. I mean, these are all higher lows. So we are definitely still in the wave three subdivision also potentially. So even on the weekly, definitely a wave three. Monthly, definitely a wave three. Going down to the daily, we start to see a brand new trend on the daily that started right here. So we have a wave one, wave two, and a wave three. So we are literally in like a third degree wave three right now. The monthly is in a wave three, which the wave three is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. The weekly is in a wave three of three, so there's your second degree wave three. And then on the daily, we have a trend that started right here, a subdivision trend that is also in a wave three. So we are literally in a third degree wave three. This is why we are in such a strong trend, and this is why it's so damn important to remember that the trend is your friend. I would definitely be doing nothing but looking for logs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, anybody that's been doing anything but looking for logs over these last several weeks has been killing it in the market. If you've been trying to pick the top of this market, then you have probably been losing a lot of money. Now, what happened this week? We had another 1, 2, 3 way pullback. Another bit perfect entry to go long. 1, 2, 3 way pullback right there. Perfect entry. 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks. 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks. 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks. They are just all over the place. Unfortunately, for me personally, because literally every single time frame is in an uptrend and they're all in wave three trends, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, and the 1 hour are all in uptrends. To me, it sounds completely ludicrous to do anything except for look for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to continue to go long. Now we are pretty much right back up to all-time highs, a little bit short of it, but very, very close. So obviously I wouldn't be trying to go long right here at the top. But if I saw any kind of a 1, 2, 3 way pullback this week, that's exactly the type of trade I would be looking for. Based on the monthly and weekly Fibonacci extension levels, I honestly think that gold is not even close to being over. It could go to 4,200 and maybe even a lot further than that. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.